there, you want to create more YouTube channels, right? So you're in the right place. So let's go. You already have a YouTube channel, right? Say yes. Write yes in the comment section, and also add by saying, why are you asking me in the first place? Okay, let's go. Jokes apart. Let's be serious now. So you already have one YouTube channel. So you want to add a second one, a third one, a fourth one under the same account and the same email address. So here you are in the right place. Let me get you started. First, go to your YouTube studio. So here we are in the YouTube studio. Then go on to your settings. Click on settings. Then click on channel. Next, click on advanced settings. Now scroll all the way down to here. You have manage YouTube account. So click on that. So here we are. Now scroll down to where you have this. It says add or manage your channels. So click on that. Click here. So here we are. Can you see here? It says create a channel. So peradventure you already have a channel before, it will list all the channels you have previously. Even if it's the one you had before, it will list it here. Like you can see, I have many channels before now, and I want to create another one along with you. So I go and create a channel. Now we are here. It asking you here to select a picture. You click here if you have a picture already that you want to upload. But if you don't have, you can still upload a picture later. YouTube will put something there for you in the interim. Now here you have to type in the name you want to give to your channel, any name. And take note, whatever name you give to your channel now, you can still change it later. YouTube allows you to change the name of your channel every 14 days. So you can write any rubbish here now. For now, anything you can think of, put it there. In 14 days time, you can change it to another name. But if you're serious minded, you already have the name you already have the name you want to give to this new channel, and you have a picture that you want to put as your profile picture, good to go. You do this, select here, upload the picture, go here. Let's even try it. I click here. So it takes me to my folders page. Wow, the good thing here is that if you want to pick a picture from your computer, you go here. But the good thing is that YouTube has given you options. Can you see this? You can pick a picture from here as your profile picture, which is wonderful. Wonderful. It makes the job easier for you. And if not, from here, you want from Google Photos, you click here and the list come up and you pick. So you have three options. From here, the illustrations, or from Google Photos, or from your computer. Okay guys, so in this video, peradventure you have not made up your mind, you can go here and close, and it takes you back, a page back. So here you are, like I said, from here you pick your profile picture and you put the name of your channel. Let's say Pig, P-I-G. There you are, that's the name. For this handle, you can leave that till later. Oh, You don't even have to. YouTube has already given you a handle name. So here, if you made any mistake, you can cancel. But here is the final blow. Once you click here, so really think hard before you click here. Don't just click there, right? Take your time. Go over the picture, the photo you want to upload as your profile photo, right? Make sure it's the photo that you want, not just any photo. Because once you click on create, you can change this profile picture. Profile picture, I think you can change that anytime. But the name, you can't change the name of your channel until 14 days later. So think very, 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 very well before you click create. So guys, I already have channels. I'm not creating any extra one for now until later on. So I don't want to click on here. But for you that you want to learn how to create additional channel, you click on here and you're good to go, and your channel is on and going. So the next thing, once you see the channel, you already know because you already have one channel, so you start uploading. Okay guys, bye for now. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. I really appreciate your stopping by to watch my video.